If you want to make better videos in CapCut PC without worrying about copyright issues, this tutorial is for you. Today, I'm going to show you how to find copyright-free videos and copyright-free music, then import both into CapCut PC and start editing your project the right way. This is a super useful workflow for YouTube Shorts, long-form videos, social media edits, and any content where you want safe, usable media. If this video helps you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more CapCut tutorials just like this. Alright, let's jump in. First, let's find copyright-free videos. Open your browser and go to Pexels videos at pexels.com/videos. Pexels is a great place to find thousands of high-quality HD and 4K clips, and the best part is that the videos are completely free for commercial and personal use. In most cases, you do not need attribution, which makes it really convenient for creators. Once you're on the site, use the search bar to look for the type of footage you need. You can search for things like nature, business, city, technology, lifestyle, or travel, depending on your project. When you find a video you like, click on it to open the preview page. Here, take a moment to make sure the clip matches the style and mood of your edit. If it looks good, just click the download button next to the video, and the file will start downloading to your computer. That's it. No complicated sign-up process, no license confusion for standard use, and no need to spend hours searching for stock footage elsewhere. Now, once the video has downloaded, open CapCut PC and import the file into your project. You can do this by dragging and dropping the video directly into the media panel, or by using the import option and selecting the file from your downloads folder. After the clip is imported, drag it down to the timeline so you can begin editing. From there, you can trim the clip, cut sections, add text, apply effects, or combine it with other media in your project. Next, let's find copyright-free music. For that, go to freemusicarchive.org. This is a great source for free music, but you need to be a little more careful here because different tracks can have different Creative Commons licenses. First, click Sign Up and create an account if you don't already have one. After that, click the option that says Enjoy FMA so you can access the music library. Once you're in, scroll down and select a genre that fits your content. You can browse by style, mood, or category until you find a track that works for your video. Take your time previewing the music because the right background track can completely change the feel of your edit. When you find a track you want, click Download next to it. Now this is the important part. A pop-up will appear, and you should always check the specific Creative Commons license attached to the track on the download page. Some tracks may allow free use with no credit, while others may require you to credit the artist in your project description or video description. So before you use the music, always read the license details carefully, then click I understand and agree, and the download will begin. Once the music is downloaded, go back to CapCut PC and import the audio file just like you imported the video. Drag the music onto the audio track in the timeline, then line it up with your video so everything plays smoothly together. You can trim the audio, lower the volume, fade it in or out, and adjust it so it fits your edit perfectly. At this point, you have both copyright-free video and copyright-free music inside CapCut PC, and now you can start editing your content with much more confidence. This is one of the easiest ways to build professional-looking videos without using random media that could cause copyright problems later. So, to recap, use Pexels for free video clips, use Free Music Archive for music, always check the license before downloading audio, then import both files into CapCut, and begin editing your timeline. That simple workflow can save you time, protect your content, and help you create better videos faster. If this tutorial helped you, please hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next CapCut tutorial. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.